It's an articulating borescope.
Pretty rusty.
You can see the rust down in there?
Yeah. And this rust would be a problem if we used it just like this, right?
Well, yeah, the rust would be flaking off. So you can see here, there's still some bare metal and then a lot of rust. You can see there's just a little bit of bare metal showing through there.
Lacquer thinner. Step 1.
The fuel cock, the valve on the bottom of the tank, won't let anything through right now. It's all totally gummed up, jammed up. No valve will work.
Oh, wait, so the gummed upness is the only thing that's preventing this lacquer thinner from falling out the bottom of it?
No, the valve's turned off.
Oh, okay, so you have the valve turned off. So, but even if the valve was open, it wouldn't fall through.
Right.
Okay. So you're shaking it around a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
We'll put the cap on, and then every so often I'll shake it some more.
Put it on, baby.
See? Those two are not rusty. We can.
Wait, you're using these for something else?
Well, these are like MG bolts and washers. And I poured some brown syrup out of here earlier. I wonder if this valve is even free yet. Nope. Still gummed up. It could be full of rust particles for all we know.
So what, should we just pour it out the top?
I think we'll pour it out the top. Ugh. Shake, 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 my baby, shake it all the time. All right, let's see if anything comes out. Yeah, you can see little bits of rust coming out with that. Little flakes of stuff. That's 63. Okay, that's about right. So I'm going to put that in there. Stir it up. Now I'm going to do, since I'm doing 2 liters, I'm going to do 80 grams of the washing soda. So 84 grams. Now this is going to fizz when I put it in. Whoa, too much. Okay. I'm going to go add this to the tank and then mix up another pitcher full. We'll just do this until it's full. Dip it out this time since I know about how much I want. Baking soda.
Wait, baking soda?
Well, washing soda, otherwise known as soda ash or sodium carbonate. I think we should put the cap on it so it doesn't evaporate.
Go ahead.
And then set it out in the sun so that it gets nice and warm.
Let's see what happened with those nuts.
Well, I was gonna just And you want to, yeah. There's still bubbles coming off.
Okay, looks good.
But yeah, rust is gone.
Beautiful. So you're gonna be making jewelry?
Yeah. Are you ready for the reveal?
Yeah.
All right, show you inside the cap. Oh, it's a little more. Got a pitting left behind, but the rust seems to be gone. I have to replace this gasket. They got browner as we went along. Yeah, the rust is gone, but it still has crud built up.
But the rest is gone.
Yeah, I wonder about putting a stick in there. There it is.
Ooh, look at that. What is that?
I think it may have been gunk that we didn't get out.
What kind of gunk?
Well, let's get a stick. It's loose. It's just sediment.
Oh, great.
Oh, the inside of this thing looks beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, it's on the side as well. It really just needs to be washed out. I wonder if we could just even stick a garden hose in there.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, so you think more lacquer thinner might dissolve that stuff?
Maybe.
Okay, let's try it. Do you have any more?
Yeah.
Okay. Did we check to see if any comes out of the bottom?
No.
That would be interesting.
Give me that.
Wait, I thought we were going to try to see if it comes out the bottom.
Oh. Okay.
Nothing. Why?
Oh, I'm not surprised. So
Well,
we'll undo it, clean it out, put it back together.
all right.
So that white that you're seeing,
Yeah.
that's where rust was eaten away. See, you can see where the rust used to be. So those are divots
Okay.
in there.
Yay. Okay, got the rest out. So what's the next step?
Well, I'm gonna have to rinse it a few more times. Once we get it going, we'll be changing out the fuel filter for a while, every so often. Carry a spare one with you in case it gets plugged up. Because we don't want any of those rust particles going into the carburetor. Super impressed with how this has worked. See how clear it's coming out?
Yeah.
Let it dry, and then stick an air hose in there and blow out any remaining particles. So, yeah, I'm super impressed.
Yay. Okay.